Welcome to Karelian Heritage, home of magnificent Shungite. Some of you may wonder, if I order a large package from your company all the way from Russia, how can I be sure that all items will be delivered intact and undamaged? That is why we have decided to show you an unboxing of one of our packages. We will show it to you in real time with no editing to give you honest and objective take on our products. Please enjoy. So this is the kind of box that you will receive if you place a large order. If your order is a smaller one, you will just receive a small parcel. So let's just look what's inside. And we have 4 different kinds of packaging. We will look into them. As you can see right away, there is our business card with our logo. As you can see, all the empty spaces are filled with foam rubber or sometimes bubble rubber. The first kind of packaging is these small parcels from craft paper or recycled paper, which are mostly used for jewelry pieces and smaller Shungite products. There is always a protective sticker on the parcel, so you can be sure that nothing fell out of it. As you can see with these Shungite phone stickers, each separate item is in its own zipper bag, so they don't damage one another while being shipped. So this is a Shungite bracelet with some other crystals, and as you can see, it also has our company logo made of recycled cardboard. The label itself is tied with a cord, so nothing will open by itself. These stickers can sometimes be tricky to open, but don't be afraid to just rip them apart. So the next one is a Shungite ring, and as you can see, everything is perfectly attached to the label and nothing will fall off while being transported. So if you order a set of, for example, pendants, as you can see, they can all be shipped in one small parcel, but in separate zipper bags. Or for example, Shungite beads that you can use to make your own handcrafted jewelry pieces will be transported on a single cord. And these are Shungite earrings. As you can see, they are attached to the same label, and if they have this kind of tassels, they will be put in special tubes so they won't be damaged while being shipped to you. So the second type of packaging that we have are these large black zipper bags. We mostly use them to transport Shungite powder and Shungite chips and smaller stones. As you can see, there is also a sticker with our company logo, and on its back you can see an instruction on how to use these kind of products. So for example, if you will give these products to somebody as a gift, they will know what to do right away. And that was Shungite powder, and the same goes for Shungite chips. As you can see, the bag itself is a little bit bigger, but also has a sticker and instruction on the back. So the third type of packaging goes for larger Shungite items, mostly decorative items or harmonizers. As you can see, if you order several Shungite pyramids, they will also be in a separate box together. And that's how almost every Shungite home decoration item will be shipped. It will be wrapped in foam paper. The items themselves are really hard, so you shouldn't be afraid to open this foam rubber just with a pair of scissors. Yeah, so there's also a lot of duct tape, so just get rid of it with scissors. So as you can see, there's a lot of foam rubber, and it is all done so your Shungite pyramid or whatever you order will come to you in a proper shape and won't be damaged. And every other pyramid is also wrapped in the same way. And if you look close enough, you can see that it has a sticker on it that says what's inside. So let's take another item and see what's inside. Also a lot of foam rubber. As you can see, this is a Shungite Merkaba. You see, there was so much wrapping that at first I thought it was a cube, but it's not. But it is all of course done so none of these edges break when the Merkaba is being transported. Well, this one I can tell what it is. It's a set of harmonizers. It also usually has a sticker that says whether it's polished or unpolished, but it's in Russian language. Yeah, so let's just clean this up a little bit so you can see better what I'm showing you. Yeah, so as I remember correctly, these harmonizers are really tightly wrapped and it's always a challenge to open them. Yeah, so if you don't really know how to open them, it can really take you a long time to unwrap all of it. The secret is to just cut the foam rubber and duct tape along, and not across. But as you can see, it all pays off. It looks perfect, and we always try to rub this tightly so every item that you get is without any kind of damage. So this rod is made of Shungite and it's polished, and the other one is made of soapstone. So let me just show you the soapstone rod really quick. I hope this time I will fare better. So this is the soapstone rod, and even though we call them Shungite harmonizers, technically only one of them is made of Shungite. So that was the third kind of packaging we have, and the final one, the last one, is this kind of gift wrapping for Elite Shungite stones. And since every Elite Shungite stone is unique, they all come in the separate packaging. As you can see, there's also the logo of our company on the top of the box. So inside the bags, all the empty spaces are filled with paper clips, so it kind of looks nice for a gift and also prevents any damage to the stone, and the lithium guide stones are extremely fragile. So to sum up, these are the four types of packaging we have. The foam rubber, in which all the decorative items and larger items are wrapped. So then we have these black zipper bags, then these small parcels with our labels, and of course gift boxes with illusion guide. As you can see, our packages are distinguished by our brand packaging. We've put a lot of effort in creating unique design so that when you open your own Shungite delivery, your first impression would be positive and didn't spoil your first encounter with Shungite. As we have stated during the unboxing, our brand packaging makes your work easier if you decide to give Shungite to somebody as a gift. It is already presented beautifully. Also, some of our more obscure products have instructions on them, so the person won't have to Google Shungite to use Shungite powder or water stones. However, we acknowledge that sometimes we overdo it with plastic filling, yet as of now we see no other way how we can ship Shungite over several continents without damaging it. We aspire to become more and more eco-friendly in the future, and we already have a lot of recycled wrapping in our packages, like recycled paper or cardboard, and as soon as we find new solutions, we will surely implement them. Make sure to leave in the comments what more you wish to learn about Shungite and our company, and enjoy only the best of Karelian nature.